Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Might be enjoying the playing of indoor games because right now you are not allowed to go out of the home. Am I correct? बच्चे आप लोग कहीं बाहर तो नहीं जा रहे हो ना? जाना मत हाँ बाहर घर से निकलने का नहीं. You have to play the games. If you want to play the games, you sit inside your house and play the games. The indoor games like chess, carom, playing cards. और खूब सारा खाना खाना. ठीक है? डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आइटम्स खाओगे ना? Okay, this is standard third. Subject is looking around, environment, and I am going to teach you environment. And as you all know, I am your Rita teacher. So, children, are you ready? But first of all, we have to play a game. Here are some images I am going to show you, and what you have to do is you have to give me the names of that specific particular image. यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ इमेजेस कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स दिखा रही हूँ. वो देख के आपको बताना है कि ये भाई ये किसका मतलब किस चीज़ का फोटोग्राफ है. ठीक है? रेडी एवरीबॉडी? ओके, टेक अ रफ नोटबुक along with a pencil. So let us start. तो बच्चों ले आए ना सबके सब नोटबुक और पेंसिल? हाँ, ये क्या है? दिस इज इडला. दिस वन पाव वड़ू. Oh, this is I think aloo parotha. Wow, look at these things. Palak paneer and then Indian rice, samosa, chapati, biryani, puri cakes, puri soup that is dal, masala chai and wow, gulab jamun. Then comes, yeah, oh my god, this is dosa. It's so yummy. What is this? This is dal rice, dal chawal. Wow, किस किस के फेवरेट है ये सब्जी? Whose favorite vegetable is it? Lady's finger with chapati. And this is khichdi kadi with fried papad. Wow! Look at this! Oh my God! मुंह में तो पानी आ रहा है. ये क्या है बच्चों? बताओ बताओ. पानी पूरी. ये देखो मैं खिला रही हूँ आपको. Come on everybody, open your mouth. चलो चलो फटाफट. हा. Yummy na? It's very tasty. Wow! सो नाइस. आहा, चलो अभी बहुत तीखी है शायद पूरी है ना? पानी पूरी तीखी थी तो चलो अभी एक एक ये काजू कतली ले लो इसमें से. एंड दिस इज वाओ, दिस इज खीर. किसको पसंद है खीर खाना? एंड आहा, दिस इज समोसा. दिस इज खमन. वाह बच्चों, ये तो अब मुझे नहीं मालूम. ये तो आप ही बताओ ये क्या है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इट. क्या है? किसी ने बोला. यस, इट इज पिज्जा. दिस इज वाह पाव भाजी. किस किस की फेवरेट है ये पाव भाजी? यार सच में अभी तो मुंह में पानी आ रहा है बच्चों मेरा तो. ये क्या है? नूडल्स. पसंद है ना आप सबको? नाउ अभी क्या है? यम्मी, इट्स आइसक्रीम. किसी ने क्या बोला? कुछ बोला किसी ने? हाँ, किसी ने बोला कि ऐसी आइसक्रीम पसंद नहीं है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, उसके लिए हम दूसरी ले आते हैं. ये देखो, सो मैनी वैरायटीज ऑफ आइसक्रीम है ना? वाओ, लुक एट दिस वन. सी दिस वन, दिस वन. This is of chocolate. This is strawberry. Wow. This is vanilla flavor. This is malai candy. This is mango candy. And this is the chocobar. कितना मज़ा आ गया बच्चों खाने में? पेट भर गया ना? हाँ, तो चिल्ड्रन, now we are going to study the chapter number 6 that is about food. ये जो खाना आप लोगों ने देखा, ये हम लोग जो खाते हैं बच्चों, उसके बारे में हमें अभी we have to study the same, right? So children, let us start with the chapter. Everybody, pencil in your hand and let us open the book. Everybody, page number 38, chapter number 6, food we eat. Foods मतलब बहुत अलग अलग तरीके के खाने जो हम लोग खाते हैं. So now, first of all, as we always do, we will first read the chapter and side by side I will also explain you the same. Now children, as you can see, here are some children like you sitting and talking. They are talking with each other. They are discussing something about the food that they have eaten at their own home. यहाँ पे जो बच्चे दिख रहे हैं आपको, वो लोग खाने के बारे में कुछ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और अपने अपने घर में वो लोग क्या खाना खा के आए हैं उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. Here as you can see children, here this 1, 2, 3, 4 girls are there and 3 boys are there. Now what they are talking, let us read. Here the first girl is saying this one, I cooked dal and rice. Cooked, that is खाना बनाना. क्या किया है उसने? Dal rice. She has cooked dal and rice. The next girl is saying, yesterday no food was cooked in my home. अरे बेचारी, इसके घर पे तो खाना ही नहीं बना था कल. Now again the girl with this pink frock, what is she saying? Let us see. My mother cooked idli. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. क्या किया उसकी मम्मी ने? उसकी मम्मी ने इडली बनाई थी. कैसी बनी थी? It was very tasty. And how much did she eat? She ate lots of it. बहुत सारी इसने खाई थी. किसने? इसने. क्या खाया था? इडली खाई थी. अभी this boy with green shirt, what is he saying? Let us see. My mother bought dabeli for us from the house where she works. We enjoy loving it. This boy's mother is working in somebody's home, somebody's house. She bought dabeli from that house. Where is the mother working? And this boy enjoyed eating dabeli. What the boy is eating? The boy ate dabeli. Okay. Now here another girl is there. She is saying that Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like, so I ate and chila instead. Here this girl is saying that in her house kheer and puri was prepared, but because she does not like eating kheer and puri, so what she did? What she ate? She ate chila. Chila, that is, yes children, किसी को मालूम है चीला क्या होता है? सॉरी, चीला दैट इज जो हम लोग खाते हैं ना. यस, पूड़ा खाइए ना जे आपड़े, पूड़ा. yes, that is known as chila. Now this boy here, as you can all see, this is a Punjabi boy. What did he eat? I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati. He had gone to Gurudwara. Gurudwara, that is a temple for Sikhs. सिख लोगों का जो मंदिर होता है उसको गुरुद्वारा बोलते हैं. वहाँ पे हर रोज़ ही लंगर लगता है. लंगर इज़ दैट टाइप ऑफ लंगर मीन्स द gurudwaras, the people who visit gurudwaras sit there and eat there in like प्रसाद. जो प्रसाद लेते हैं वो लोग गुरुद्वारा में, उसको लंगर बोलते हैं. सो इन लंगर, what did this boy eat? He ate dal and chapati. Now comes the turn of this boy with blue shirt. Last night I ate a chapati made of bajra with jaggery. Jaggery એટલે gur, goળ. Last night, what this boy ate? He ate बाजरीना रोटला. What did he eat? क्या खाया था उसने? उसने खाया था रोटी that was made up of बाजरा. किसके साथ खाया था? गुड़ के साथ with jaggery. So children, as you can see here, there are so many different varieties of food. As you can see here, first one is dal rice. The second one was idli. The next is dabeli. The another is chila, kheer, puri, dal and chapati, bajri's roti and jaggery. So there are different food items described over here on page number 38. बट चिल्ड्रन, इन सभी बच्चों ने बता दिया कि क्या खाया. बट हियर इज वन चाइल्ड हु हैज़ नॉट ईटन. कैन यू से हु इज दिस चाइल्ड? यस, दिस गर्ल. वाई? बिकॉज येस्टरडे नो फूड वॉज कुक्ड इन माई हाउस. उसके घर पे खाना नहीं बना था. वेल चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू से क्यों नहीं बना होगा उसके घर पे खाना? शायद उसकी मम्मी घर पे नहीं होगी, और मे बी शी बिलोंग्स टू पुअर फैमिली, और मे बी हर मदर मे बी सिक, मे बी इल. शायद वो उसकी मम्मी बीमार हो सकती है, उसके पापा को आता नहीं होगा खाना बनाने को. कुछ भी हो सकता है ना? Okay, so this was about page number 38. Now children, moving on to page number 39. Yes children, here as you can see, this is, ये क्या है? आप लोगों की थाली है, प्लेट है, जिसमें आप लोग खाना लेके खाते हो. Yes, so children, here you have to write down the names of the items that you ate yesterday. कल जो आपने खाना खाया था उसके नाम यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. First of all, read. Remember and write. What did you eat yesterday? Write it on the place shown below. So children, here, whatever have you eaten yesterday, you have to write here. Now let us say that you might have eaten dal, પછી rice, after then vegetable, फिर chapati, after then pickles, that is, pickle मतलब अचार, अथानू. Then after papad, yes, and then comes buttermilk, that is छाछ. तो दिस आर द आइटम्स आई एट येस्टरडे. मैंने जो कल खाया था वो मैंने आपको दिखाया है. अभी आप लोगों ने जो खाया है वो आपको इधर लिखना है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द फूड आइटम्स हियर इन दिस थाली. 7 blanks are given, so you have to write down 7 items that you ate yesterday. Now think and tell. How do you know that you are hungry? Yes children, how do you know that you are hungry? Can you make out that you are hungry now? Well, when we are hungry we feel weak. हमें जब भूख लगती है तो हमें पता कैसे चलता है कि हमें भूख लग रही है? हाँ, कोई बोल रहा है पेट में गुड़गुड़ होता है तो पता चल जाता है. Right? Yes children, yes. When we feel weak, जब हमें बहुत अशक्ति महसूस होती है, वीकनेस जब बहुत महसूस होती है, तो हमें लगता है कि we are very hungry. We are not feeling to do any type of work. That means we are hungry. We are not able to work. We don't feel like to play. We don't feel like to do any work. That are all the signs that we are hungry. Now the next one is, has it ever happened to you that on some day you were very hungry but there was nothing to eat? If yes, why? Well children, here they are asking, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि भाई आपको बहुत भूख लग रही हो और आपके पास कुछ खाने को ही ना हो? अगर हुआ है तो क्यों हुआ था? That this question you have to ask your mother. Now the third one, you must have noticed that in the picture there is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? Yes, children, as I said here, this girl, yesterday no food was cooked in my house. In this girl's house no food was cooked. So children, you have to tell the reason. What might have been the reason? क्या रीज़न होगा उसके घर में जो खाना है वो नहीं बना था, उसके घर में किसी ने खाना नहीं बनाया था, तो क्या रीज़न हो सकता है इसका? As I said earlier, maybe her mother is sick and her father might not be knowing to cook, right? Now the next one, did all the children in the class eat the same food items yesterday? Why? Yes, children, as I said, so many food items are described here. See, dal rice, dal and chapati, idli, dabeli, kheer, puri, chila, chapati made of bajra with jaggery, that is good. Now, what in our book is the question is, did all the children in the class eat the same food item yesterday? Why? So children, as we can see, each and every children in the class had eaten different food items. Why? Because they all live in different houses, they all stay in their own home. That is why different dishes are prepared in their home, and so they have eaten different kind of food items. Now comes the next question. Now on the blackboard write the names of all the food items that you have written on your plate. Yes children, इसमें जो लिखा है प्लेट में जो आप लोगों ने नाम लिखा है, you have to write down the food items on the piece of paper with pencil. What would you do if you had nothing to eat and you were hungry? Yes children, the last question. अपने आप से ही पूछने का और अपना जो आंसर है वो अपनी मम्मी को बोलने का. The question is, what would you do if you had nothing to eat and you were hungry? आपके पास कुछ भी खाने को नहीं हो और अगर आपको बहुत भूख लग रही हो तो आप क्या करोगे? बताओ क्या करोगे? Yes, answer it yourself. Now, turning on to page number 4040. Here's a story of a boy named Vipul. Vipul and his family. In his family, there is a Dadaji, that is, Dadi, that is Vipul's grandmother, Vipul's mother, and Vipul's छोटी sister, उसकी younger sister है. Her name is Munni. The name of the boy is Vipul, Vipul's mother, Vipul's grandma, and Vipul's sister Munni. So now let us start reading the story. There are 4 members in Vipul's family. There are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats? Why should this happen? Let us read about Vipul's family. Well children, 4 members are there in Vipul's family. और कुछ मेंबर ऐसे हैं कि जो कुछ मेंबर्स 4 मेंबर में से 2 मेंबर या 3 मेंबर एक जैसा फूड खा सकते हैं, and remaining members cannot eat the same type of food which other members can eat. Now, what do they mean to say? Let us study. Let us read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta. Bhutta, that is, here it is. Bhutta. Bhutta એટલે corn on the cob, that is makkai. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Munni? I want to see her." Yes, children, Vipul is coming home from school. On the way, he is buying a bhutta, and after reaching home, he is asking his mother that where is Munni? I want to see her. Who is Munni here? Munni is younger sister of Vipul. Now, his mother replied, Munni is in the room upstairs. Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come up with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." So children, here Vipul wanted to see her younger sister Munni. He is asking his mother, where is Munni? And his mom is replying that Munni is in the room upstairs. Now Vipul is catching his grandmother's hand and saying that you also come upstairs with me. किसको बोल रहा है? अपनी दादी को बोल रहा है. बट विपुल्स मदर स्टॉप्स हिम. विपुल की मम्मी है उसको मना कर रही है. व्हाट इज शी सेइंग? शी इज सेइंग दैट आई हैव सोक्ड बास चपाती इन दाल. उसमें दाल में बाकी चपाती है वो भिगो के रखी है. क्यों? क्या लगता है आपको, क्यों उसने दाल में चपाती भिगोई होगी? आप लोग ऐसे भिगो के खाते हो दाल में चपाती? नहीं, ऐसे ही खा लेते हो ना आप लोग तो. हाँ, because Vipul's grandmother is not having teeth, so she is not able to chew. Well, let us see. And what is Vipul's mother saying now again? Let her first have her meal. उसको पहले अपना खाना खा लेने दो. Why? Because she already have soaked Bas chapati in dal. Have you put sugar in the dal? Have you put sugar in the dal? Said Dadi to Vipul's mother. Now Vipul's Dadi, that is Vipul's grandmother, is asking Vipul's mother that have you put sugar in the dal? दाल में थोड़ी बहुत चीनी डाली है ना? That means Vipul's grandmother is very fond of having sweet dal, is fond of having some sugar in dal. I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well, replied Vipul's mother. अभी विपुल की मम्मी जो है उसको दादी को बता रही है कि मैंने दाल टेस्ट कर ली है and it is prepared very well, वो बहुत अच्छी बनी है. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. Now Vipul is picking up his grandmother's प्लेट. उसने अपनी ग्रैंड मम्मी की थाली उठा ली, दादी की थाली उठा ली और वो ऊपर दौड़ गया. एंड ही ऑल्सो सेज हिज ग्रैंड मदर टू फॉलो हिम क्विकली. अपनी दादी को बोलती है चलो, बोलता है कि चलो फटाफट आप भी मेरे साथ ऊपर आओ. अभी देखो बच्चों, दादी तो कितनी बूढ़ी होगी. जितनी तेज़ी से विपुल दौड़ के जाएगा ऊपर तक, वैसे क्या उसकी दादी उतनी तेज़ी से ऊपर जा पाएगी? व्हाट डू यू से चिल्ड्रन? Will she be able to go quickly like Vipul? No. Why? Because she is an old person. When I was of your age, I could run up a hill in the same time, said Dadi. Dadi is saying that when she was of Vipul's age, she could run up the hill. वो माउंटेन जो होता है उसको भी क्लाइम कर जाती थी उतने टाइम में, जितने टाइम में विपुल ने ये सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के ऊपर चला गया, उतने टाइम में तो शी वॉज एबल टू क्लाइम द हिल. हु वॉज एबल टू क्लाइम द हिल? विपुल्स दादी. विपुल गेव द भुट्टा ही वॉज ईटिंग टू हिज मम्मी, वॉश्ड हिज हैंड्स एंड लिफ्टेड लिटिल मुन्नी. Vipul was eating the bhutta. What he did, he gave his bhutta, that is the corn cob, to his mom, and after washing the hands, he lifted little Munni. Who is Munni? Munni is Vipul's younger sisters, that is Choti Bahan. Suddenly, Munni started crying. She is hungry, said Mommy. She sat down to feed Munni. जैसे ही विपुल ने मुन्नी को लिया, मुन्नी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, रोने लग गई. देन आफ्टर विपुल्स मम्मी इज सेइंग टू विपुल दैट शी इज हंग्री. दैट इज भूख लगना. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हंग्री? हंग्री दैट इज भूख लगना. किसको भूख लगी है? मुन्नी को. कैसे पता चला? बिकॉज मुन्नी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. शी सेट डाउन टू फीड मुन्नी. Who sat down to feed मुन्नी? विपुल्स मदर. तो वो अभी मुन्नी को फीड करने बैठ गई. ओके, because children, Munni is very small. She is not able to eat all the food that you children are able, or we the bigger one are able to eat. So this Munni, being a small child, will only have her mother's milk. Okay. Now, here are some questions given. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? क्यों दादी नहीं चढ़ पा रही थी बहुत जल्दी से सीढ़ियाँ? Because she is an old person. How does Dadi like to have her dal? Yes, children, who will answer this question? दादी को दाल में क्या डालना पसंद था? कैसी दाल पसंद थी दादी को? With some sugar in the दाल, है ना? यहाँ पे दादी कहती है ना, ये देखो, कहाँ गया? ये रहा, देखो. हैव यू पुट शुगर इन द दाल? आस्ट दादी, है ना? यहाँ पे है ना, ये शुगर है, उसको दाल में शुगर ज़्यादा चाहिए, तो दादी वुड लाइक टू हैव हर दाल विथ सम शुगर इन इट. What kind of dal do you like? Yes, children, you have to answer this by your own. कैसी दाल आपको पसंद है? मीठी, स्वीट दाल, और तीखी दाल, may be very spicy, that you have to write here. Now, moving on to page number 41. How many person in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? Yes, children, as I said, there are 4 persons in our story. One is Vipul, another is Vipul's younger sister, that is Munni, she is very small. One is grandma and one is Vipul's mother. Now, children, they are asking here that how many person in the story can eat bhutta easily and why? तो क्या लगता है बच्चों, हमारी स्टोरी में ये जो 4 पर्सन्स है, उनमें से ये भुट्टा जो है, कॉर्न कॉब, वो कौन आसानी से खा सकेगा? द फर्स्ट वन इज विपुल. यस. विपुल सिस्टर, विल शी बी एबल टू ईट? नो, बिकॉज शी इज़ वेरी स्मॉल एंड शी इजंट हैविंग टीथ येट. उसके दांत भी नहीं आए हैं, तो शी विल नॉट बी एबल टू ईट. विपुल्स मदर, विल शी बी एबल टू ईट? यस. विपुल्स ग्रैंडमा? No, she will also not be able to eat because she is an old person and she is also not having teeth. So only 2 persons in the story can eat bhutta easily. Who are they? They are Vipul and his mother. Why? Because they are having teeth. Can all old people eat bhutta? Why? No, all old people cannot eat bhutta because some might not be having the teeth. For 4 months, Munni will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? Well, children, as I said, Munni is a very small girl and is not having teeth. Moreover, she is very small, so she will have only her mother's milk as her food. For first 4 months, she will drink only her mother's milk. That is her only food, because in her mother's milk each and every type of nutrient substances that are necessary for the development of our body is present, and so Munni will have only her mother's milk. So children, am I clear everybody? Okay. So children, for today up till here only, we will continue in next session. Till then, bye bye everybody. Take care dear. Bye. अच्छे से खाना खा लेना बच्चों.